So guys, we have just arrived at Parrot Mountain, and here we are going up a steep road. You guys can't really tell on camera, but we are going up a steep road. And see, that's a little bus. And I just want to film a little bit while we go up and enter to Parrot Mountain.
Say hello. Don't do it. Say goodbye. Come up here.
Doesn't want to speak to him. Everyone sounds mean. So guys, right now I'm going to show you some parrots.
These are green-winged macaws.
Yeah, there's a little picture.
Oh, he's hanging upside down. You want to go show them those in the tree?
Yep. So guys, we're going to go show you some. Hi! Can you say hello? No. Okay.
You gotta pay attention to where you're filming, Kinley.
Alright, hit pause.
I want to get a picture of that.
Oh Lord, what's that noise?
Water.
Go ahead, Ken. Push up. I see. Okay. Oh, there's somebody spraying.
Some don't land on you, right?
Poop on your nose.
Oh no. Oh God, don't poop on me.
Where? I didn't see it.
Ooh, look at that one in there. You see that one?
Oh, look at that.
Maybe he doesn't want any.
I probably didn't need
Kinley, watch out for people. Ooh.
Whoop.
Is he a good friend?
Oh, I love that.
it's eating my hair. Will you put one on, Kinley?
Come here, put your arm out.
Like him?
Kinley, look.
Here, look towards Mama.
I'm gonna feed you a little while. It's on your shoulder. Let me put it on your head. Oh, man.
That guy's nice. I like it.
Kinley.
Look at Daddy.
Yeah, this food's gone.
Daddy has more food.
Yeah, here.
Oh,
That was nice.
Here. Kinley, I got a bunch of food. Come up over here and shave.
it's eating your hair.
Some of them are really friendly. They take as many as possible before you move it.
First one bit me and he was over there and I don't know why. I tried to sit him and he didn't.
You didn't like that one, huh? Oh, he wants on you.
Oh. Oh my.
That one, he fell down.
Oh,
Hey, Kinley. No, he's not. Here, put your arm out. He's not biting.
it wants food, Kinley. Give it a bite of food.
He doesn't. He's just nibbling. Doesn't hurt.
Mom, is that one still on my head?
Yeah, it's eating your hair.
Oh man. They're so gentle though.
Weird. It's like using its beak to help climb up you.
Look at that one.
No, it's gonna bite her.
Kinley, watch. Do it now. Kinley, come it out. Okay. Put your arm out. Let him get the food. He won't bite you up.
It won't bite you. Yeah, right.
You have a new friend.
I said hopefully it doesn't poop.
It'll wash out. It'll wash out. You want some more?
You know, feed him. Aww.
I know. That's all I have, buddy. Let's get another quarter.
Did that hurt? This one behind you, I think. Look, he's dancing. He says, I don't. Oh, he was going to eat your finger. You dancing? You dancing?
Max?
Try again.
That one's dancing. No, he's not.
Oh, you're dancing, yeah.
He doesn't like the game.
Dancing. Dancing. Look at I love your dance moves. They're dancing. Look, babe, they dance.
No, it's a different one.
Look, Daddy.
Mom, I'm gonna try to go get a small one.
You dancing?
You won't bite, you won't bite. You won't bite. He's not gonna bite you.
Nice dance move, Sangria.
See, look. He just uses it to get his balance. He's not gonna bite you. What? He's not gonna bite you.
Oh, he doesn't like being by that one.
You want me to give you 4? See? Oh, I forgot about this one.
Mama.
Put your finger up by. It doesn't, he's just.
See, look. There you go.
He's kind of heavy.
Oh, hold on, Kinley. You got him? Oh, you want some food? Sorry.
Kinley, you want me to take that one off your arm?
I want this. I want one on me. Nope. I don't know my head on. Those ones are going to bite.
No. Here, you want this one?
No.
It's a nice one.
Oh. Baby, get this off her. Get it off her. Oh. It bit her.
They was trying to hold on.
You alright? Oh, dancing. Hello.
Mom, this one's stuck on my hair.
Wow. Listen to all its noises, Kinley. What are you doing? You got so many sounds. I don't know if you can't reach up high enough. You'll have to get a lower one.
Oh, God darn it, they run away. No, let me put them back up here now.
Some of them say
Now
don't.
try. Okay, put your arm out like this. Oh, I think you gotta put it out like this.
And they'll walk on you.
Oh, nope.
Just kidding. That one says do not feed.
Let's go try over here. This one might, Kinley. Try this one. Put your arm out. You sleeping? You sleeping?
Might be red. Please do not poop on me. Oh.
This way, right? It's like, oh, this is great. Look, it's closing its eye and everything.
Where are you putting it?
It's in rack. Oh, this is great. Okay.
He's not gonna eat right now because he's getting pet. Oh, that one's dancing.
Where?
Behind you. Look. That maybe wants food.
No, nobody did that.
Go up a little bit higher. You can't.
Look at his tail, why?
Yeah. We can get more.
God darn it. I got too close. I got too close. Ah. Oh, it's. Oh.
It's in your hat.
Oh. Ow.
Totally eating your hat.
Ow. Ow.
That was not friendly. Oh my god, that one looked as fun. Oh, maybe. Look at that one.
Look.
Oh, that hurts. Oh, that hurts.
Look, he's spinning. Look.
Oh, that hurts bad.
Look, see him? He's spinning around.
Take off your shirt.
Here, come on.
Hello.
Oh. You took the ball.
Kill, look at this. Hello.
Right. Making fun of me.
Who is that?
That
What?
bit me. I'm not feeding nothing else. That hurt really bad.
Well, oh,
That hurt really bad.
I can't help it.
That's all right.
They're all over.
Here, walk back here so these people can come in. Kinley, you gotta keep walking, honey. All right, you're fine. Let me take a picture.
Oh, Mama's looking at me.
It's okay.
Come here, look at Mama.
Oh, God.
Look at Mama. Oh, did I get that?
Ow, jerk.
Oh.
Look.
Ow, you love
Kinley, here.
Give me that cup.
Take this cup, Nut.
Take that cup from Daddy. Hold
Don't
it.
spill it.
Hold it still. It's all right. Don't worry about it.
That bit good.
It's all over me. Daddy, it just pooped.
Mine did?
Yeah. I'll let it lick me. Now, can you take it?
They're gonna fly all over today. Watch. Watch how they fly.
Oh, Kinley. Here, hold this. You just turn those back in. Here, Kinley, come over here.
One's on my head.
Take one, go. Yeah, right. Anchor. Now what's that?